Hey guys, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. I've got a card featuring some of the new awesome 2020-2021 annual catalog products for you today. We're featuring the In Good Taste Suite. I just love this neutral, highly textured, kind of eclectic suite. The Tasteful Touches bundle is the Tasteful Labels dies and the Tasteful Touches stamp set. You can bundle those together in the new catalog and save 10%. And we're pairing it up with the In Good Taste Designer Series paper today. So it's a simple card. You can make a bunch of these. Let's get started. I got a gray granite card base here. It's 8.5 by 5.5 and scored at 4 1/4. And we're going to do that landscape wise. And we're going to start with a little background stamping. I've got some gray granite ink and this beautiful sprig image from the Tasteful Touches. Let me grab a little grid paper here, just make sure we don't ruin our surface. And I'm going to stamp about 1/2 inch maybe from the edge off the bottom edge with this branch image or sprig image, and then I'm going to stamp, turn the other direction about 1 inch from the edge and off the edge for a little bit of texture in the background. Then we're going to take our Designer Series paper. This is from the In Good Taste Designer Series paper. I love this Designer Series paper. It's tiles and wood grain and textiles, very neutral patterns and neutral colors. Good for man cards, good for women cards. Either way, it's very neutral. You can make this whatever you want this to be. And we've got 2 pieces here. Our larger piece is 2 by 4. We're going to adhere that probably 1 inch from the right edge. You don't want to completely cover your little branch stamping detail. Then we've got one here that's 1 by 3.5. We're gonna adhere that one about 1/4 inch overlapped over your first Designer Series paper piece. Keep being mindful about that beautiful stamping we just did in the background. And adhere that one down. All right, so I've got a scrap of Blushing Bride here, some Blushing Bride ink. Look at this pretty little lace pattern. We're gonna stamp that one 1, 2, 3 times on the scrap of Blushing Bride because we need a big enough piece to punch out 3 of the small bloom punch. This one's now available again from the 2020-2021 annual catalog. It was a celebration item, so you might already have it for free. If not, you'll be able to order it from the new catalog. 3 blooms. And if you haven't already heard the good news, the Stampin' Pierce mat is not going to be discontinued after all. Thank God, because I use it all the time. So we've got our pretty little flowers there. Take your pick tool in this Stampin' Pierce mat and just press in the center. That'll give you a cup-shaped flower. And then let's grab the putty end of this guy because I've got these beautiful gilded gems. These are from the Ornate Garden Suite, and these were available for pre-order or for early release. We're gonna put one of these gilded gems in the center. I couldn't decide between the gilded and pearls for this card, and I think that although the gilded gems are a little blingy and they're a little bit edgy, I do think I like the gilded gems better than the pearls. What are your thoughts about that? All right, got this label I cut from Very Vanilla ahead of time using the Tasteful Labels dies that are part of this bundle. Here's the Tasteful Label dies. Each one of them either embosses the edge with a gorgeous little frame or stitches the edge. Fantastic little label set. I can't wait to use this more and more. It's going to be very versatile. Got a Memento Tuxedo Black and Just Saying Hello from the stamp set. It's ink that up, amendment to a tuxedo black, and stamp it in the upper right corner. Beautiful. I'm gonna grab gray granite back for a minute. Stamp a branch on this label. Ink up that branch and stamp it so that it doesn't overlap our greeting but fills in that space. Alright, just saying hello label can be glued to the front of the card. I'm using up my fast fuse now that we've got Stampin' Seal Plus coming. Alright, then some mini glue dots. We're gonna go ahead and adhere these flowers using mini glue dots. We're looking for kind of a triangular fall. Now first, let's grab our lace trim. All right guys, so I've got my scalloped lace trim and we're gonna cut off like 8 loops. So then little angle cut on the end. Which way did I angle? I angled this way. And there's our lace. And a little bit of multi-purpose liquid glue to adhere the lace. Less is more. You don't want it to sop through. But if you just take the tip of the glue and rub it along the top edge of the lace, you'll have sufficient stickiness. And it won't leave the whole lace saturated with adhesive. So go lightly. So you're really just gonna squeeze the littlest drip on the end of the bottle and spread it across this top edge of the lace. You only need a little bit. All right, that should be good. And we're gonna glue that underneath hello. I love the lace texture with the wood and the weave. Now our last little flower on top of the lace. That'll also help to secure the lace. There it is. Perfect little card for just saying hello. What do you think? Easy, fast, neutral, beautiful. If you've got questions about the project or the product, email marissa@kitchentablestamper.com. And to shop 24/7, you can buzz over to marisaalvarez.stampinup.net. Thanks for watching.